Hello everybody, thank you for checking me out. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk a little bit about starting a landscaping business. It's quite easy. You start out, you might have say 2, 4, 6 customers, and then towards the middle of the season you might pick up a couple more, and at the end of the season you might be up to 10, which would be good depending on how much advertising you do and how big you want to get. And then the following season the business is going to grow a little bit more and more and more, but you're in control. So you can kind of set how many customers you want to get, turn down jobs that you're not interested in. So what I would recommend is staying on the route in one area, gather some work, either be in the evening or the weekend, unless you're going to go into it 100%, which you could, but you might not get the results you're looking for in the beginning because you might be short on work, depending on what your schedule is like. So grab a couple people, take care of them. If you just do landscaping work for them, keep their info, their name, their address. Either text them at the beginning of the season or send them a letter in the mail, let them know that you're available the following year to do whatever you did for them the year before, whether it be mulching or installation. When you're finishing up that job, and if they're happy, make sure you let them know that you do lawn cutting, and you also do snow plowing possibly. Think of a good name, something that's catchy but not too long. Don't try to say that you're the best at what you're doing. You want to keep it simple and have a positive information or an outlook on your business when you give people quotes. So those are just a couple things to consider. Get the work lined up and get it done. If you start cutting grass, you might be able to cut 4, 5, 6 lawns a day, depending on what you got. Use the equipment that you already got, you're familiar with. Take that to the customer's house. Make the best of it. Let's say, for instance, if you get hired by the New York Yankees, don't show up with a push mower to get the job done. Make sure your equipment fits the job that what you're doing. If you got smaller equipment, stick with smaller lawns until you get a little bit bigger and get bigger, faster equipment that you can handle the job in a timely manner and not be stuck at a job all day long. So there's a couple things to consider. Go for it. I'd recommend, if you're interested in doing it, just jump right into it. Do it. Don't work for nobody, because you pretty much know what you're doing already, unless you never did this before. So if you guys got any questions or information that you need to be known about, answering any type of questions, feel free to leave them to me in the comments, or catch me on a live stream. I'm Paul Wright Lawns during the week. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Everybody, thank you. Have a nice day. I'll see you soon.